coloring a submarine. Yay! Hello, my little kids. Today, Bunda Suci is going to show you how to color a submarine. Come on, let's color together and have fun. First, pick your favorite colors. You can use blue, yellow, red, or any colors you like. Slowly color the submarine and don't forget to stay inside the lines. Take your time and enjoy every moment. Now, let's learn something fun. A submarine is a special kind of vehicle that can travel under the sea. Isn't that amazing? Submarines are used by scientists and explorers to study ocean life, like fish, coral, and even deep-sea creatures. They are also used by the Navy to help protect the ocean. Submarines can dive very deep into the water because they are strong and have special technology. Inside a submarine, people can breathe, eat, and work just like in a small house under the sea. Wow! Learning is fun, right? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe buttons so Bunda Suci can keep making more fun and useful videos for you. See you in the next exciting video. Bye-bye!